So these are the information you have. It is overcrowded or over, like almost complete screen you have question, but the reason is very simple. Allowable expenses are income from other head. Legal expenses include 20,000 to protect the house property and balance for the business. Whatever 20,000 you have paid, it is to protect your house property. All your credit side of your P&L comes under allowable, or we can call it as other head income. Now, hello everyone, this is your other sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the almost last session, like 14th session of your tax management. Under tax management, we are discussing the topic called your profit and gain business or profession. Now, we have done many problems on business or profession, and we done with your all kinds of adjustment. And as I told you that in the previous session, we worked out one problem with additional workout also. Additional in the sense your computation of total income. In today's session, we will not do computation total income and all. Why? Because as I told you, in your syllabus, you have up to computation of business income. Other than computation of business income, you need not to learn anything. This much is more than sufficient for your examination. Now, so after this, now what we are going to do in today's session? In today's session, we'll do the same problem but extra adjustment, additional adjustment. If this kind of adjustment comes, what has to be done? You will understand better after doing this problem. So as you know that in the agenda, we go with problem along with concept. So these are the information you have. It is overcrowded or over, like almost complete screen you have question, but the reason is very simple. I need question in single sheet. I cannot go for 2 or 3 sides, and for you people also, it is easy to remember and easy to identify. This will be your question from the following P&L additional information of Ramanarayan. Determine his taxable income for the assessment year 2020 and 2021. Particular amount. These are the information we have. Along with this adjustment, additional information. Now, rent includes 36,000. Remember, 36,000 paid for residence, personal. Then, legal expenses include 20,000 to protect the house property and balance for the business. Whatever 20,000 you have paid, it is to protect your house property. Trade expenses include 45,000 paid to creditors. For creditors, we are paying this. That is a trade expenses. Bank loan is taken for personal purpose. Bank loan is personal means you are supposed to consider as disallowed item. Donation include 80,000 and 60,000 to NDF, National Defense Fund, and a recognized institution. Both comes under disallowed item. Why? Because you have not spent for business. Then, and the balance to trade association, other than 80 and 60, whatever left out will be your business expenditure. Hope you are clear. Now, trade expenses include 45,000 paid to creditors in cash. Remember, any expenses made above 20,000 in the form of cash, we don't consider it as a business expenditure. Again, I'll repeat, any expenses made above 20,000 rupees in the form of cash, we don't consider it as your professional or business expenditure. It should be in the form of check, not cash. Because you're working under a company means your payment should be in the form of check. You cannot pay cash payment. If you are making cash payment, heavy amount means it is something is illegal or something is fishy. Okay, hope you are clear. Yes. Now, out of this, we supposed to find out which are your business related and which are your disallowed. Now, I'll mention here only, I don't do any calculation there. Now, staff salary part of your profession, proprietor salary you should take. Income tax you should take. VAT, it is a part of your salary. Rent, how much we should take? Rent, we should take 36,000. 36. Legal expenses. Legal expenses, they have mentioned 20,000 to protect the house property. Take 20,000. It is 20,000. Next, trade expenses, they have mentioned that 45,000 paid to the creditors. Now, pay 45,000. 45,000 we should consider. So we are not taking 45 because of paying to creditor. We are taking because of it is paid by cash. Then bad debts part of the business, RBD you have to take. Discount part of the business. Interest on bank loan. Loan is taken for personal purpose. Then interest on capital, yes. Fire insurance, it is a part of the business. LIP, life insurance premium, we are supposed to take. Then after that we have donation. Donation in this 80,000 plus 60,000, answer is 1,40,000. Up to this we consider as your non-business expenditure. Now, subscription to NSE you have to take. Before that, take net profit 21,14,000. So you are supposed to take net profit 21,14,000. We're done with net profit. Now we'll go with disallowed item. Now, first one, proprietor's salary 3,60,000. Proprietor salary 3,60,000. Then we have income tax 4,50,000. Income tax 4,50,000. Then we have, after income tax we have VAT. VAT we will not take. We have rent. Out of 96 we are supposed to take 36,000. So rent, it is as per adjustment 36,000. After rent we have legal expenses, it is 20,000. Legal expenses 20,000. Then after that again it will be trade expenses, it is 45,000. Your trade expenses 45,000. After trade expenses what we have? We have bad debts part of the business. RBD, it is 60,000. RBD we have 60,000. Then after RBD we have discount part of the business. Interest on bank loan 35,000. Interest on bank loan 30. I'll cross check once how much it is. Yes, it is 35,000. After this, now what is the next one? Interest on capital, it is 50,000. Interest on capital, it is 60,000. Then after this we have fire insurance part of the business, and we have LIP. LIP stands for life insurance premium. LIP, it is how much? It is 24,000. So LIP, it is 24,000. We done with LIP. After LIP, we have donation. Donation, we have two things as per the adjustment. 80,000 paid for NDF, National Defense Fund, and 60,000 paid for recognized institution. Both are not paid for business. Now, 80,000 plus 60,000, we get 1,40,000. So we get donation 80,000 plus 60,000, we go with 1,40,000. After donation, do we have anything? Hope there is nothing left. We have subscription to NSC, it is 40,000. Subscription to National Savings Certificate, it is 40,000. I'll cross check once. Yes, it is 40,000. Now, trade expenses, I have taken 45. Almost I done with proprietor salary, income tax, and I have taken rent, legal expenses, trade expenses, RBD, and interest on bank loan. And this will be your interest on capital, LIP, and donation NSC. We have taken everything which are disallowed. Now, we done with disallowed item. So, we will add how much is your disallowed. Now, it will be 3,60,000, 4,50,000, 36,000, 20,000, 45,000, 60,000, 35,000, 60,000, 24,000, 1,40,000 and 40,000. I got around 12,70,000. 12,70,000. So these are called as disallowed item. I'll cross check once. 3,60,000, 4,50,000, 36, 20,000, 45, 60, 35, 60, 24,000, 1,40,000 and 40,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, once if you are done with 12,70,000, now the next part will be allowable expenses are income from other head. Allowable expenses are income from other head. Now, I'll go back to this. All your credit side of your P&L comes under allowable, or we can call it as other head income. Now, as per this, what do we have? Remember, we will not consider gross profit. We will not consider commission because those are part of your business. Now, along with that, we have like refund of VAT. VAT is supposed to be your business related. That's why we will not consider even a refund of VAT. Do we have anything? Yes, we have bad debts. Bad debts in the sense which is part of your business. And one more adjustment they have provided. Previously allowed. If the previously it is allowed, no need to allow now. Remember, if this word is not there, then we are supposed to take. Again, I'll repeat, very important. Bad debts which are recovered previously allowed. If previously disallowed, then we are supposed to take. Previously allowed, then you are not supposed to take. Previously disallowed, you should take, and any bad debts recovered is there, you should take. Specifically, they have given that in the last year only you have taken. So don't take for current year. Hope you are clear? Yes. Now, dividend from Indian company, we are supposed to take. Now, I'll go one by one. Income from house property, 1,62,000. Income from house property, 1,62,000. Then we have LKCG, it is 44,000. LKCG, it is 44,000. LKCG, 44,000. After this, we have interest on government security, 18,000. Interest on government security, interest on government security, 18,000. After this, we have interest on POSB, stands for Post Office Saving Bank Account. Post Office Saving Bank Account. Now, POSB is 9,000. Now, POSB, interest on POSB, it is 9,000. Interest on Post Office Saving Bank Account. Now, we done with this. The next one is refund of income tax. As I told you, so refund of income tax is allowed item and refund of VAT is not a allowed item. Now, we will consider a refund of income tax 42,500. A refund of income tax, a refund of income tax 42,500. Then we have bad debts. As I told you clearly, this is a very important one. I'll mark it as important so that you will understand. This is very important. If it is mentioned that previously allowed, we will not take. Clear? Now, we will not consider dividend from Indian company. It is 10,000. Dividend from Indian company, it is 10,000. Dividend from Indian company, 10,000. Hope we done with everything. We'll go for the total. So what are your allowed item? 1,62,000, 44,000, 18,000, 9,000, 42,500, 10,000. I got around 2,85,500. So what is the total? 2,85,500. We'll cross check once. So 1,62,000, 44, 18,000, 9,000, 42,500 and 10,000. As per this, we have 1,62,000, we have 44, 18,000, 9,000, 42,500 as per income tax, and we have 10,000. We have, yes, we have taken everything. Now what is the procedure? We are supposed to add and we are supposed to minus, means subtract. Now I'll go for your net profit. 2,14,000 plus 12,70,000. So 21,14,000 plus 12,70,000 minus 2,85,500. I got around 30,98,500. 30,98,500. So we'll cross check once. So whatever your disallowed items we have taken, so 3,60,000 we have taken, 4,50,000 and 36 and 20,000. 3,60,000, 4,50,000, 36 and 20,000. Then we have 45,000 and we have 60,000. 45,000 and 60,000. 45,000 and 60,000. And along with that, we have interest on bank loan 35. This is 50. 35,000 and your interest on capital. Interest on capital is how much? Interest on capital is 50,000. 50. Your interest on capital Interest on capital is 50,000. So if you add 50,000, this will become how much? 12 lakh 60,000. This will be 12 lakh 60,000. Now, see, we have to cross check once. Why? Because sometimes what happens, instead of 60, we will take 50 or 40,000. Always while doing business or profession problem, every time once you done with your problem, please cross check once. You will get exact answer now. So, I got 12 lakh 60,000. 21 lakh 14 plus 12 lakh 60 minus your 2 lakh 85. Your answer is 30 lakh 88 500. 30 lakh 88 500. 30 lakh 88,500 is your final answer. Hope you are clear. Yes, I'll go out of the screen. Please take screenshots. So this will be your problem, and these are your adjustments, your solution part 1, your solution part 2, and your final answer. Yes, this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood, and we done with your topic called business or profession. From next session, we'll come up with new topic. So please work out this problem at home. Thank you.